Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, and in today's video we are talking about Shiba Inu coin big news. That's right, we have some big announcements from yesterday's, I would say, kind of unfortunate day that happened. Amongst the hack, we have a great price action, as you can see here, 8% up already, and we are trading massively today, more than $500 million in 24 hours, and market cap is doing 8% more in one day. So everything is looking perfect for Shiba Inu coin right now. We had some bad news and we will talk about them, and there's some update on the news about the hacking that I will talk about in today's video, because they are the things, and these are the things that predict and do price action for Shiba. Let's be realistic here. You always know that I'm basically doing the news coverage first and then some price analysis a little bit later on in the video, because we can calculate the graphs all day, but if we don't have a great news or great announcements, the pump will basically never gonna happen. So this is why I am first giving advantage to the big news, and let's start with this tweet from Shib Informer. So this is what actually happened yesterday, and I made a video about that yesterday, which got massively declined by the community. But as you probably know, I'm never hyping something that is doing bad, and I'm always telling the truth. So I understand why there are so many dislikes on this video and why you didn't like it, but the truth has to be spoken. And Shib Informer posted that sadly the biggest hack in the FI's history was perpetrated today against an important actor in the crypto news. So I'll not read the whole tweet because there's so much going on, but something from Polygon network got hacked, and actually we lost $2 million in SHIB. So some of unfortunate people from our community lost more than $2 million, which is kinda bad and terrible. Basically 600 million in total were stolen in cryptocurrencies, and this is kinda bad. So 2 millions were stolen, but we have a new update from Satoshi Kusama, the CEO of Shiba Inu Army, which says basically it's a retweet from the Cointelegraph, and Cointelegraph said the hacker has reportedly sent back over $1 million in USD coins and 2.65 million worth of Shiba Inu. So this is kinda great, because all the tokens that are missing are right now sent back to its previous owners. So this is kinda great to see, and I would say, even though it's not that dramatic or big news, this is definitely, and these are some things that influence the price. So let's continue with the news here. As you can see, when you search Shiba Inu coin on Google and go to the news, you can see so many articles writing right now about Shiba Inu coin, because it's really getting popular, and that's the fact. We are getting popular each day and building a stronger community each day, and we have an interesting article from news.com.au which says Shiba Inu price rises after the coin burn, and that's the truth. We will talk about this in today's video. So they have said a cryptocurrency that was created as a spin-off from a joke about the Dodge meme is surging in price on the digital coin exchange. So a currency that was created as a spin-off, blah blah blah. I will not read the whole article here, but at the time of writing, the coin trades for around 0.00010, so we actually killed 1 0 a few days ago, according to CoinMarketCap. They jacked up the price of Shiba Inu, or SHIB, as it's known on the cryptocurrency exchange, because there will be less supply and more demand for the coin. And this is why we have such a spike right here in the previous couple of days, and I'll talk about some price analysis a little bit later on in the video. But also, before we start with the price analysis and price prediction, this is kind of nice post that I wanted to share with you guys, because this is a crypto bubbles, and you can see the gains that we have so far this year, and it's more than 4.3 million%, which is kind of amazing. So props for crypto bubbles posting this picture. Also, let's start with some price analysis and let's see what's going on currently on the market. You can see that we are trading onto that 80 level, and we actually couldn't see that 80 level in the past 7 days. As far as I remember, we were actually some above that in August 8th, but you can see that right now on 7-day chart we are actually doing pretty good. We are basically following the whole crypto market and Bitcoin and Ethereum, as you probably know, I have talked about it in previous videos, but you can definitely see forming of a new support level and a support line right here on the 7-day chart. And if you go to the 1-day chart, we are also doing pretty good. You can see right here that we were fighting onto that 76 barrier from the start of the day. We went all the way up to the 82 and we are currently trading at the 80 price. So we had a few massive buys and some kind of dips right here, but look at this spike. This is probably from someone really big looking forward to see what will happen with the future of investment, because right after the big peaks, some of the big sell-offs happen, as you probably know what's going on with crypto tokens lately, and then we traded green in the rest of the day, and we'll probably continue to rise throughout the day, which is kind of nice for Shiba Inu coin. I'm really looking forward and cheering up for the whole Shiba Inu army team, because we are doing some great job in the past couple of days. On the market right here, you can see that trading volumes are extremely great. I'm really happy that Binance is doing more than 160 million, as well as L-Bank that is doing more than 50 million in a single day, Hotbit 40, Huobi is doing 35, and so on. So OKX is at 16 right here, and Bitmart is doing great. So all the things are going our way, guys, and I'm really cheering up and looking forward to that forming of a support line. And I would say with few of the big news coming up, this could be really big. So I would say this is the last train to pick up some Shiba Inu tokens and start trading them and holding them. So you can see also, if you ask me for my opinion, of course I'm not your financial advisor, but I'll definitely state some of my opinions about Shiba Inu coin pricing. I would say we will continue to trade green throughout the rest of the day, but we will see, will there be kind of a decline at the end of the week, because after the big pump always comes down. But I would say maybe you should wait a little bit more, because we cannot see from the 7-day chart only what is direction that Shiba Inu coin is going right now, but definitely it seems bullish. It seems that we have a new support level, and as you already know, after each coin burn we have a new support level which is a little bit higher than the previous one. So this is why we don't have a dips that are going, for example, right here below the 50. This is why we only have the dips that are doing 73. So props for that, and I'm so happy to see forming of a new support level, as well as the rebound from the big pump. As you can see on the 3-month chart right here, we had a massive pump going on, and we are currently, I would say, for the first time realistically fighting for that rebound, and this is kind of nice to see on the chart. So there you go. Also, if you ask me, you can see one year chart right here. We were on the peak at the May 10th on 35, and we went down a lot, but you can definitely see something going on right now. I would say with some big news, this price could explode and we could kill probably the zero before the end of the week. So that would be my price prediction for Shiba Inu coin right now. So if you're a long-term holder, I would say definitely buy Shiba Inu coins, because you never know what's going to happen in the future. And also if you're a day trader, I would say you're a little bit late today. Yesterday was a perfect entry point, but today is already, I would say, too high for Shiba Inu coin. I mean, yeah, we will continue to rise throughout the day, but there's no point in buying when the pump already is going to happen and is already happening, or just before it. For example, right here was a great price entry point on 72, and you could trade off some great money throughout that few days that we have been passed on. So market cap is extremely great, and I'm so cheerful for that. We are more than a 3 billion. Just a quick reminder, just us 7 or 10 days ago we were on 2.4 around here, and we spiked in market cap massively. So what is needed for the future of Shiba Inu coin is definitely a huge burn. We need more and more and more huge burns. So I hope that Shiba Inu team will definitely consider that and do some burning of tokens, because that way we can see a bigger spikes in the price. And with that said, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any of the big news from your favorite tokens. And with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.